I've never seen anything like this. No.
It's hitting our basement windows, which is terrifying.
It has happened before, but not that it lasts for this.
New York City is currently in a state of emergency due to flooding. Roads have turned into rivers as the flash flooding has even submerged LaGuardia's Terminal A, most of Brooklyn's streets, and suspended subway services. The rain is a hangover from Tropical Storm Ophelia and is some of the worst seen in New York City since Hurricane Ida in 2021. Everyone in NYC stay safe.